Hey there, fellow cyclists. Today, I'm super excited to share with you something that's going to totally upgrade your biking experience. It's the essential 8-pack bicycle accessories, featuring a bike light set that's USB rechargeable and, yeah, even a bike water bottle included. So, let's dive in and see how these features can really make your rides safer, more convenient, and just a lot more fun. Oh, and if you want to grab this awesome pack, just click the link below the video to get it straight from the official site. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more cycling tips and gear reviews. Alright, let's talk safety first. The USB rechargeable bike light set is, honestly, a total game changer. You can charge it anywhere, anytime, so you'll never be stuck with dead batteries. That means you're always visible, whether you're riding early in the morning or heading home after sunset. It's super easy to use and keeps you safe on the road, which, let's be real, is the most important thing. Staying hydrated is, absolutely key for any cyclist. That's why I love that this pack comes with a bike water bottle. It's right there when you need it, so you can keep pushing those miles without having to stop and search for water. Super convenient, and it just makes your ride a whole lot smoother. And get this, you're not just getting lights and a water bottle. This bundle gives you 8 must-have accessories all in one pack. You save time, money, and the hassle of buying everything separately. It's honestly the easiest way to get fully equipped for your next ride. So, if you want to make your cycling experience safer, more comfortable, and just plain better, don't wait. Click the link below, grab your essential 8-pack bicycle accessories, and remember to like this video and subscribe for more awesome cycling content. Alright, so installing these is honestly a breeze. Just clip them on and you're good to go. They're designed to fit pretty much any bike, which is super convenient. No tools, no hassle, just quick and easy setup for everyone. So, why go for this 8-pack? Well, you get enough for both wheels, front and back, plus a couple extras just in case. It's a smart deal, and you'll always have spares ready if you need them. Don't wait, grab your set today and take your cycling game up a notch. Seriously, you'll notice the difference right away. And hey, if you want more cool cycling tips and gear recommendations, just hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next.